Alright guys, what I'm about to show you today is how you can trade Forex right inside your Bybit account. Alright, and I'm also going to show you how you can send a Bybit account to MT5, using your Bybit as a broker instead of looking for a broker or stressing yourself looking for a trusted broker. You can also decide to deposit money in your Bybit account and use it or trade directly from here if you actually want to do that. So let's quickly dive in and let me show you guys how you can achieve that. Okay, so the first thing you do is you come to this place more. Okay, so you search for TradeFi. So you click on TradeFi. Alright, I've already signed up. It's just very simple. If I've not signed up before, you just click on register. You get so far you already have a Bybit account. It should just register automatically. So now here comes all the Forex pairs that you actually want to trade. So this is gold already popping out. Gold USD, Tesla. These are stocks that are actually coming up. So also how we have indices. For those of you that trade indices, it's also showing up here. So you can select your pairs. So that's it. It's closed. Today is Sunday that I'm making this video. So trading is going to literally start on Monday. You get. So this is Forex, and trades are closed for today. It's definitely going to open. So why I'm making this video is for you to be aware that on your Bybit account you can literally trade Forex. You get. So that's the main purpose of this video. So also the next one is to show you guys how you can trade your account directly on Meta5 in case you're very used to trading with Meta5 or you want to be flipping your account normally. So let me show you guys how to do that. So you click on assets. Stay on the TradeFi account. Click on assets. Okay, you click on this. Hold on guys. Okay, you come to where we have third party. Alright, so you click on third party. So you click on this ID. Okay, as soon as you click on this ID, you can click on a reset password and input a password. Okay guys, I input a password guys. So input the password. Sorry. So let me go to my Google Authenticator. So my password have been reset. You so what I will do now is to go to my MT4 or MT5, sorry rather. So most of you that knows how to use this very well, I think you can still put your account here. Understand? It makes sense. So let's go to as soon as you open it, the interface is like this, like you normally know. So you click on settings, you click on new account. Alright, so I already have one here, so I think I can this is the broker. So what I'll do now is let's go back to Bybit. So let me click on Bybit Live, this Bybit server. So let me copy it, Bybit Live. I've copied it, so I should be clicking. So I'm pasting it here. So it's already pop up. So I click on it. So what I will do now is to copy my ID. I paste it. So now I'm creating my password that I copied. Alright. so there's no funds, but the account is up, guys. So I've already connected my my Bybit account to my Meta 5 account, so I can trade my Forex here using Bybit as a broker. So it's very simple, guys. So if you don't have a broker yet, you can try this out, and it's gonna work perfectly fine for you guys. So wish you guys good luck. All right, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and turn off the bell, so that and also like, so that this video can reach to the ones that have not gotten this information. All right, good luck in your trading journey. Success. Thank you.